lot of times people feel, oh, it's Disney and these ideas come fully formed, dropped from heaven into our brains, and it's so not true. So we did a lot of work, and then that 20 minutes we showed to our executives, and they said, well, this isn't working. We threw it all out, changed directors, and started over. So
I remember reading about it in the New York Times, and I called my agent and I said, you have got to get me an audition for this. And she got me in there, and I auditioned with 500 other actresses.
Because we wanted to go to a Broadway cast, and singers and those kinds of performers exist in Hollywood.
Collectors of information, so you're hearing the track that Paige laid down, you're looking at the storyboards, you're getting information from the directors, and we take all this information and put it together to create a performance. And as you can see there, that was a younger version of me.
Gaston, you are positively primeval. Gaston, you are positively primeval. Gaston.
First of all, there's Angela and Jerry Orbach, two absolute legends. They sent the demo of Beauty and the Beast to Angela, and they came back and said, well, Angela said, this is not for me.
With a little imagination, those pencil sketches on a story.
We face a lot of cynicism.
100%.
Yeah. And we got some rough reviews.
You know, they didn't know if people would come, and they didn't know who would come, and they were sort of telling us and warning us, the executives, if there's kids running up and down the aisles, you know, just expect it. That may happen, and it never happened. No. They were enraptured from the beginning because they knew that film and they had played that VHS tape back.
Belle has enabled people who feel like they're out of place to feel like they're special, and that it's really okay to not be okay, and that's really not the problem, and you just have to enjoy who you are and embrace that person. I do these events, and it's constantly, I have a lot of women, they come up to me and start crying, and they said, I felt like such an idiot when I was growing up and I was a bookworm and people made fun of me all the time, and I saw your movie and now I realize it's really cool to be different.